Hey again, everyone. Welcome back to Kate's and Trading. Today is Monday, December 30th, 2024, and I'll tell you what, I think the market's sick and could use a doctor or something. Boy, it is a mess. This is probably going to be a really quick video because I don't think there's probably anything that is anywhere near a buy point right now. And as always, don't forget, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is basically my live diary of how I would trade, but boy, I don't know. Let me sort this by worst to best performing ETFs today. A lot of red. All the bullish stuff is down. DRY is going to be our starting one here. Kind of going sideways. Had that great run, but not worth buying now. SBIT, that's just coming up from a downtrend. It's starting to turn upwards. Got a lot of volume going on, but it's not something I'd be buying yet. DRV had a little bit of a run there. Was up today, came back down. Good volume, but doesn't look promising at all. SOXL, just a terrible downtrend. TZA, kind of going horizontal here. Stuck at resistance, not worth buying. TMF, nothing going on there. UCO's been sideways for a very long time. It's ugly. SDAO was up, down, closed at a kind of a doji situation, not worth buying. FAZ, wow, it's almost closed like kind of right where it opened. That's and a lot of volume too. All that volume for nothing. Nothing productive there. NGD, a lot of volume, didn't really move much. But you know what? Looking at that one, the volume has picked up a lot lately. You have a bit of a double bottom pattern forming here. The trend is starting to curl upwards a little bit. Might be something to keep an eye on a little bit, but not something I'd be buying. Yang, just boring, not doing much of anything. SPXS, another doji. Rough times in the market right now. ETHU, everyone's interested in it now. The volume picked up, but nothing going on. WebS, terrible downtrend, starting to turn up. I have a new uptrend signal here, but definitely not worth buying yet. Something to keep an eye on, perhaps. ZSL, shorting silver, not looking good there. Closed kind of at a resistance level, not worth buying. TechS, same thing, just stuck in a downtrend. SQQQ, same kind of thing, just down. I just sound like it's so repetitive, but it's the way the market is. GDXD, nice little uptrend going on here. Kind of got above this little peak that it was at, but closed pretty low in the bar. Something maybe to keep an eye on. Maybe it's a continuation buy type of thing, but that's a reach too. Like I'm just struggling to find anything that looks decent. LabD, crazy wild swings on this thing. Strong looking uptrend, but that ended kind of here when it started curling down. It's coming back up now. Highly volatile, very, very risky. So I'd be avoiding it. SOXL, doji close, sideways action, nothing good. Boyle had huge volume today. Was up 17.39%, but look what happened. I mean, it gapped up, went way up there, and then was falling for most of the day, I think. Yeah, so the morning it was nice, and then it just kept coming down, and then up and down, up and down, up and down. So not really a vote of confidence. Like you gap up like that and you close this low, I would think maybe the next day would start filling in the gap. It's not, there's no reason to be buying this here, especially as it's already run quite a bit. If you were in it from down here and you stayed in it, that's awesome. Like you had a nice gain by now. And here, that's probably why the bar is falling so much with high volume. People are probably taking profits. So not a buy. NVDU, sideways. One of the few bullish ETFs that was up today, but this is Nvidia 2x bull, and it's definitely not worth buying. Google down, ugly. Amazon down. These are just, they've been stuck in downtrends for a while. This is coming up. Microsoft down, but nothing good. MACD, AMDS had a long run of bullishness, but it's still like, I don't know. I don't think I would take a chance on it. It's not terrible. I mean, it closes near a high today, not a lot of volume, but it's just so risky. These single stock ETFs are tough. Bit of a double bottom here. This is a faulty double bottom. You always want the furthest, the side that's closest to the current date to be below the previous one. So this is a faulty double bottom, but it is coming up a little bit. The trend is starting to rise, but it is trying to short Tesla, which these days I feel like is a bad idea. So yet again, not a single thing worth buying. And you know what? That's part of the game. Knowing when not to be in the market is very important. You can't be trading every single day. You can try, but it's a good way to lose money. I don't recommend doing it. So knowing when to be out of the market is pretty critical. And right now is a good time to be out of the market. That's all I've got for today, man. If you like this content, if you find it useful, if you learned anything, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll be doing this every single day that the market is open. Hopefully you can gain something out of this. So hope to see you around, and hope to grow the channel slow and steady, and we'll see where it goes from here, man. Thank you so much. Until next time. See ya.